to make a cute watermelon house. So let's get started. So the first step is we need to make a semicircle like this. Then you can take any bowl or any circular object. I took a cap. Now trace it on the other side. Done. Now you take your scale and draw a line over here. Now take the previous cap and make a small semicircle. Now rub this line and make this whole arc one more time. Then you need to make the seeds. Like this. After that, we will take something like to make a small circle. I've taken a small sanitizer bottle and then put it in the middle and then place it. Like this. And in the second one. And you can finish the window while drawing in a plus sign in both of them. Then you need to draw the curtains. You can make any design in the curtains, like I'm making polka dot. The second curtain. Now, in the second window, same, we need to follow the steps. Now, a house is not complete without a door. So, we are going to make a door now. We are making a cute watermelon house. So, we are going to make the eyes and the mouth. So, draw two identical eyes and then make two circles in it. One small and one big. Small. And now take a marker, black marker, and color in the out part, but not in the circle. Now hold a pencil again and make the nose and the mouth of this cute house. So make a big and upside triangle and then make the mouth with its tongue sticking out. And now at last you can make the handle of the door. Now comes the decoration part. Since it's a watermelon house, so we will make watermelon stripes in the main body. And in the ears, you can make any design of your choice. Like, I want to make straight lines and stars. And now come to the second ear. So, we can make any type of design like I already told you. I'm making some hearts and some polka dots. So the both ears are complete. So this completes our design, and now it's time for coloring. First, we need to trace everything with a black sketch. Now, we have done our outline. Now it's time for me to show some magic. Abracadabra, gilly gilly shoo. So, this is our cute watermelon house after all the hard work. It's so cute and so colorful. I hope you guys enjoyed